Hello friends, this is another tutorial in the series of DHTML. In this tutorial, we will learn about variables and functions in DHTML. A variable is a volatile storage. A variable in DHTML is declared by the keyword where. First, we define JavaScript block and then define a variable name is equal to John. That's it. Defines a variable having name the value of John. One should note that while declaring a variable, the name of the variable should not contain a HTML or JavaScript keyword, and it should not begin with a numeric letter. It can contain underscores although. So this is how we define variables in DHTML. Then comes the function. A function is basically a block of code which is executed when it is called. So it is a reusable part of the coding. So it is a good practice to use functions in your coding. Here we define a function with the keyword function. The name of the function we keep is my function. And that's it. We just have defined a function, but it doesn't do anything. It just sits back. So if we want to execute something, we need to do some coding inside the body of the function. Here we show the alert box that this function was invoked. Alert box is shown when we call the function. Then we close the JavaScript tag. Inside the paragraph element, we put a button. On clicking the button, my function gets executed. Button by default has an on-click event. Button says click me, and then we end the button tag. Then we save the file and preview it in a browser. Here, when we click the button, it will call the function and show an alert. Here. So the function was invoked. So this is how variables and functions work in DHTML. Thank you.